Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this. Okay, let's open it up and have a look. I think every kitchen should have one of these. It's one of those easy slicer tools where you can slice anything you want, really. You can have sliced vegetables, fruit, all the meats, chicken, fish, and it's safe and it's easy to use. And it's really cheap as well. Like, I think this costs around just under $5 or something. So let's test it out and see how it works. Okay, so conventionally you would have a fruit or whatever you want to slice up, and you would slice it like this, right? And I know what you're saying, you don't need one of these because you could probably do it faster the other way, but have a look at this. Alright, so it's on there now, right? Oops. How easy is that? So it's everything is like if you wanted to serve some cocktails or something, it's perfect because it cuts them really evenly and nicely, you know. Now I've got a bigger one here. Let's see if it works with the bigger one. I'm only trying it on lemons. I mean, I want to use it on tomatoes. So you can go on the outside too. But it's a small knife, but if you use a larger knife you should be able to do the job even easier. Oops, I missed it there. And look at that. I think it's awesome. What do you think? I think it's one of the best kitchen tools that I got. I really like it. It's well made as well. It's not it's fairly strong. It's got a good size handle for, you know, holding it and getting a good grip on it. But yeah, I think it's great. I think it'd make an awesome Christmas gift as well. That's the Food Slicer Assistant. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more reviews to come. Hit the notification bell to get notified of the next upload. Thanks guys, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.